These women are exposing a growing danger they once thought was at distant risk. They are victims of AI-generated pornography, the use of their image without their consent.
即係呢件事好似你嘅一個傷口咁樣啦，佢可能會慢慢 recover 翻，但係佢 recover 咗之後咧，佢會有個疤喺度。
The university students chose to speak out in July. That's after they were alerted about the existence of explicit photos of them generated by AI.
係咧，我應該係我哋3個入邊用 social media 最 active 嗰個人，咁所以當我睇到呢啲相嘅時候，我知道原來佢啲相係我嘅邊個 story 邊個 post 嗰度 cap 嘅喎，咁我就會喺即係我點解會頭先話我有個感受係慢慢變到驚咧？就係我覺得我有啲信唔過我身邊嘅人。
Hundreds of images of at least 20 women were discovered on the students' laptop. The university's initial response was a warning letter and an apology. When contacted by AFP, HKU said it had been in contact with the students involved, but could not comment on a case under active review. The 3 victims feel the city is unprepared for the growing phenomenon.
我會覺得我自己嘅對於自己身體嘅 autonomy 啊，我嘅私隱權啊，我嘅真人詞都係 by mere creation of 我嘅 deepfake 都已經係俾人 undermine 咗咯，所以我覺得即係你去 create 呢件事已經係有個問題喺度，咁我就覺得如果要劃界嘅話，我覺得 creation 都值得已經去劃界。
The distribution of intimate images is currently criminalized in Hong Kong, including those made with AI. Their creation or possession, however, is not. Because there is no evidence the pictures were circulated, it's hard for this case to be prosecuted. Activists say the law needs to be reviewed.
係啊，咁好多時我哋講緊做一啲叫做反性暴力嘅教育工作嘅時候咧，其實講緊同意啦、意願啦，係啦，身體嘅界線啦，點樣去尊重他人嘅身體啦。其實呢啲內容咧，我哋覺得係好需要，但係喺而家嘅教育內容上邊咧，其實係好缺乏。
This was not the city's first case. Since 2022, a local NGO received 26 related requests for help. The same thing happened to Janice. She looked out for help a few years ago when her friends received obscene images of her, and the person who created the images has never been found.
發生咗之後，我又試過曠工啦。我唔係好敢出街，因為我唔知道嗰個人除咗偷我啲相之外，會唔會現實生活有跟蹤自己。
After the HKU students went public, a criminal investigation was launched by Hong Kong's privacy watchdog. The Equal Opportunities Commission is handling a related complaint.